Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to make a ribbon award in Canva. So go to Canva, go to template, this option as you can see here, and then you will see ribbon award, this keyword. Click on this keyword and then you will see this page. From this page just click this one. For example, you want to use this one and then click customize this template. As you can see here, when you click customize, you will see this design ribbon award as you can see here, and then you can use and you can create successfully. As you can see here, I want to use, for example, I want to delete this one and then go to element ribbon award, and from here click see all the graphics, and then you can add this one. This is a free, or you can add customize this template and add. As you can see here, I added to successfully. You can delete this one and then you can add this one. As you can see here, I added successfully here without any problem. So if you want to add another one, for example this one, just click this icon and then you can create successfully without any problem. Basically this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.